Well, good afternoon. It's Thursday the 13th of July 2023, and today we're having a look at something a little bit different. It's the Retevis RT24 handhelds, but these are operating on the German Freenet system on 149 megahertz, which are just above the amateur 2-meter allocation. So the only other thing I can say about these is that they are only for use within the German country and not any other EU countries, and certainly not in the UK. So let's open the box and have a look. So box open, and things have moved around a little bit, but this is the manual. Have a closer look at that in a moment or two. 2 drop-in chargers, very nice. 2 handhelds with matching battery packs, which I've already installed. 2 belt clips and some lanyards. So here's a close-up of the radios. They're very basic. They're just 6 channels.
1.
Just change the channels there.
3.
And so on up to channel 6. On the side here is your mic and speaker socket, which you use for doing any programming, which I'll come to in a moment or two. Push to talk on this side. And I think there's a little illuminating light there. The antenna is fixed. I can't remove it or put anything else on it. That is exactly how they come. And for charging, well, you just connect this USB cable to any suitable 5-volt source to start charging these handhelds up. What I did notice when I had another radio close by, an HF radio, there was quite a bit of noise generated when these two were charging. So let's have a little look briefly here at the programming lead. Now, I bought this separately. I bought this from Amazon DE, Amazon Germany, and that was delivered here into the Moselle Valley, and that is used to connect up between the mic and speaker socket of the handheld radios and your laptop or computer. I did have a look on retevis.de or retevis.eu to see if I could download the software, and it seemed as though that required a subscription. So what I did do is I went to Chirp, latest version of Chirp, and the Retevis RT24 was on there, and I was able to download the software from Chirp. And once I plugged in the programming lead, it found the drivers, and we were able to get a read from radio. Now, the programming is very, very basic, although it does talk about CTCSS, etc. in this book. I tried to add CTCSS and was unsuccessful, but that doesn't mean you can't do it. Anyway, let's have a little look at the frequencies involved here with these Freenet radios. So once again, here is the confirmation that these radios are on Freenet on 149 megahertz, and some decent spacing between each of the channels with 0.5 watt output. And again, only for use in Germany. So let's power them up and just give you an idea of what they sound like.
1.
Very basic operation, as I said before. Push to talk, speak into here, microphones built into there, mic and speaker socket here, so you could put a speaker mic into there, but you will use that for your programming if you connect it up to a computer. So let's do a quick test. Test 1, 2, 3 on Freenet. Testing 1, 2, 3 on Freenet. And that is basically the sum total of the video here. Anybody coming to Germany or with a German address could order these, but my understanding is they can't be used anywhere else other than in Germany, which is where the video is being made. So all the best, thanks for looking, and we'll see you again another time.